Ever wondered if the fountain of youth was closer than you think? What if it was in your kitchen? Imagine starting your day with a breakfast shake that could reverse aging. Intriguing, right? Stay tuned as we reveal the secret recipe that might just turn back the clock. The magic lies in the ingredients, each one packed with its own age-defying properties. Spinach, loaded with antioxidants, fights off harmful free radicals. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins, boost brain health. Almond milk provides essential vitamins E and D, promoting glowing skin and strong bones. Chia seeds, full of omega-3 fatty acids, support heart health. And bananas, a great source of potassium, help balance water in the body. These ingredients come together to form a potion that not only tastes great, but also keeps you young. Now, it's time to reveal the recipe. Pay close attention as every step is crucial to unlocking its age-reversing potential. We'll start with a base of fresh spinach and almond milk. Blend these two together first. This creates a creamy, nutrient-packed foundation for our shake. The spinach is rich in antioxidants, which combat aging, while the almond milk provides a dairy-free source of calcium and vitamin E. Next, we'll add our remaining ingredients. This includes ripe bananas for potassium, blueberries for their high antioxidant content, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it. Your delicious, age-defying breakfast shake is ready. But the magic doesn't stop at taste. This shake is a powerhouse of benefits. It's a rejuvenating elixir, enhancing your skin health, supercharging your energy levels, and potentially adding years to your life. So why wait? Start your journey towards a younger, healthier you, one sip at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards reversing aging. We encourage you to whip up this age-defying shake and share your experience. It's simple, yet packed with benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Together, we can make the impossible possible.